Hi, my name is Marisa, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you already saw one of my videos, I'm happy that you liked it and that you are now seeing this one. So today I have for us the new Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty. I'm going to tell you some details about this product, to be swatching the eyeshadows and tell you all about its formulas, and I'm going to apply it on me. I came up with this look, very 80s inspired. So if you are interested, just keep on watching. I got this palette yesterday from Selfridges, and it's my first ever Huda Beauty palette. So I'm very excited to try all the eyeshadows and to check out the different formulas. But let's start with the packaging first. So it comes in this plastic cover that has in the back all the detailed composition of the different eyeshadows. The palette has this beautiful Huda photo. It's a pity that it doesn't have the same photo on the plastic cover as well. And in the back it has a detailed description of the content of the palette. So the palette has 18 shadows, 9 mattes, 6 metallics, 1 glitter and 2 sheer toppers. It's made in Italy, it has a total weight of 16.1 grams and it has a shelf life of 2 years after open. Inside it has a very large mirror, and then you can see here all the eyeshadows with the names beneath. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I buy palettes when I fall in love with their color story. Even if sometimes the colors are not the most becoming to me. I need to feel that pull towards the palette in order to use it. And I think this color story is absolutely gorgeous. It has a mixture of cools and warms. So if you look at the palette, this first row is mainly cool eyeshadows, with the exception of this peach. The second row has a mixture of cool and neutral and warms, and then on this bottom row, with the exception of the plums, these four are very warm. So let me swatch all the eyeshadows for you. Cosmic is a metallic pink eyeshadow with a silver reflex. Utopia is a matte peach. Ultraviolet is a violet sheer topper with multicolored reflex. Nebula is a blue silver new glitter formula eyeshadow, a mixture of pigment with glitter. Mercury is a metallic teal with a dark base, and Haze is a matte turquoise. Off Balance is a pink matte. Galaxy is a pink gold metallic. Libra is a light cool violet pink matte. Crash is a light dusty rose matte. Momentum is a light yellow cream matte. Supermoon is a sheer topper silver with multicolored reflect. Vortex is a deep plum matte. Hot Mess is a deep pink plummy matte. Supernova is a duochrome metallic that shifts between cool pink and orange gold. Karma is a pinky peach matte. Gold Glitch is a gold metallic with silver shimmer. And Frazzled is a duochrome metallic that shifts from green to orange. I'm going to show you now how I did this look. My initial idea was to use the turquoise and this beautiful metallic eyeshadow, this blue one. I don't know how it happened. I ended up with this instead. I have the opinion that some things are better left in the past. And regarding the 80s, with the exception of music, just leave the fashion and the makeup and the hair where it belongs in the past. So I'm very surprised how I ended up with this purple look, very 80s inspired. Anyway, so I will show you now. I have already placed a little bit of concealer on my eyelids in order to block out the red that I have. I'm going to start with the lightest one and place it all over my eyelids. Then I'm going with this one, the next one, and I'm going to place it just on the mobile area and just patting it. With a clean brush, I'm going to blend here in the middle. And now I'm going with a tiny little brush. I'm going to use the plum shade, which is called Hot Mess. Blending a little bit more. And now I'm going in with my finger. And I'm going to use this metallic here, which is called Galaxy. I'm going to use just a tiny little bit of the darkest shade, and it's called Vortex. Here on the outside corner, like this. And I'm going to use the same metallic on the tear duct and a little bit of the lightest color, Momentum, below the eyebrow. So now I'm going to place concealer, a brown eyeliner, mascara, and I'll be right back. I've used the Chanel brown eyeliner on the top and on the bottom eyelashes, and I smudged it out. On my cheeks I have one of the Chantecaille blushes, the one called Joy, which is a bright pink, and on my lips I have lip veil from Chantecaille as well, which is called Iris, and it's like a pink plummy shade. So this is a very bright look, and probably I did it to compensate the very gray weather that we have today in London. So what are my final thoughts regarding this palette? Well, it's an expensive one, but I think it's worth it. The color story is absolutely gorgeous. I look at it and I just want to touch and play with the eyeshadows, and I think that is one of the most important things. But also, and that is equally important, the quality is obviously here. The palette feels very sturdy. I think this photo is gorgeous. The mattes are extremely pigmented, creamy and buttery. I'm going to swatch it live just for you to see. One swipe and you have it. They are very, very soft. The metallics are amazing. You know how I love my blues. And then you have this new eyeshadow, and Huda made a look with it, the glitter one, and this is absolutely gorgeous. It's almost a periwinkle. The formulas are very, very good. The pigmentation is here. The creaminess. These are very beautiful eyeshadows. If you were thinking in getting this palette, I totally recommend it. I know that at the moment you are having in United States the Sephora VIB sale, so perhaps it will be an opportunity to get it. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it, and hopefully it was useful as well. I'm going to continue to play with this palette. So if you are interested on one of those one palette 5 looks kind of videos, please leave it on the comments and I'll be more than happy to do it for you guys. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. and subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me, and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, bye. Palette from Huda Beauty. All the detailed so when you I got this palette, yes,